Hello there, my name is Van the Volcano Man, and today I will be talking about volcanoes. In general, volcanoes are formed by a process called subduction. This occurs when one tectonic plate is forced underneath another. As the subducted plate gets closer to the Earth's core, it begins to heat up, causing it to melt. This melting brings hot fluid rock to the surface, which cools and over time creates a volcano. As we saw in the previous slide, as a plate is subducted, it begins to melt. The rock from the plate that melts is called magma. Magma rises to the surface and cools. This process repeats over a long period of time and leaves us with volcanoes. Shield volcanoes produce a slow-moving lava that can damage homes and property miles away from an eruption. On the other hand, strata volcanoes can spray ash, poisonous gas, and giant pyroclastics into the air. Ash from the recent eruption of Mount St. Helens could be tracked halfway across the continental U.S. Here are some real-world examples of both strata and shield volcanoes. My favorite is Mount Fuji. This is the Ring of Fire. This area has a lot of tectonic plates and faults that form volcanoes. As we learned earlier, volcanoes form mostly when one plate is subducted under another. This is exactly what is happening here. This explains why these areas have such a large number of volcanoes. Eruptions can be dangerous, but in many cases there are warning signs before a volcano erupts. Looking out for the warning signs can help people get out of dangerous areas and save many lives. These are a few of the hazards that are associated with an eruption. Depending on the size of the eruption, effects can range from minimal to huge amounts of destruction. Despite there being a lot of hazards when it comes to volcanoes, there are also some benefits. And look at what that guy is doing. Thank you for joining me today. I hoped you learned something about volcanoes and will always remember me. Don't forget the name. Dan the Volcano Man.